Deleting a domain in WordPress depends on whether you're using WordPress.com or a self-hosted WordPress.org site. So in this video, I'll show you how to delete domain in WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress.com and then go ahead and sign into your account. On your homepage, go ahead and click on this Manage All Domains under your WordPress homepage site. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the domains connected to your WordPress.com website. So in here, go ahead and select the domain that you want to remove and then click on Remove Domain or Cancel Domain Registration. Confirm the cancellation and note that this action is permanent and may make your site inaccessible. So that is how you can basically delete a domain on WordPress.com. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.